Hi, I'm Haley, and I'm going to show you how I transformed this boring white dining room in 48 hours. The first thing I did was grab these brick panels. They're about $30 from Lowe's, and I'm placing them against the wall. It's important to note that these panels are actually 8 feet tall, so if you have 9-foot tall ceilings like myself, you need to cut 1-foot sections out of another piece of paneling and put them at the bottom to act as the bottom plate. Next, I am nailing the paneling into the wall, and of course you could use something like liquid nails if you would like. However, I decided to do nailing since it's a little bit less permanent and won't ruin the drywall underneath. Now I'm just going to use some spackling that goes from pink to white whenever it's dry, and I'm going to fill in all of the seams. This is also supposed to look pretty organic, so I'm using a paper towel and my finger to get plenty of texture so it doesn't look too flat. Now I'm mixing various craft paints to match the color of the brick. Now that I've got a good color that matches pretty well, I'm going to go ahead and go in and cover up the bricks that are in the middle seam where the panels met. And I'm covering up that white plaster and using a sponge to add some more texture. I'm also going in and lightening the color a little bit and wiping it away. Overall, I just want a lot of variety and I just don't want it to look too flat. Now in sections, I'm going to cover the wall with white paint. And in order to do this in just one coat rather than multiple, I'm using a color blocking white primer, and it is super opaque. So you only need one coat. And then once it's dried a little bit, but still a little bit tacky, I'm going in with a wet sponge and scraping away a lot of the color. You might be wondering why I didn't just paint the grout and call it a day, but I think you'll see in the end result that it makes a huge difference. Now for a statement piece, I am going to Walmart and getting these $6.50 door mirrors, and I got 6 of those, and I am peeling off the stickers and placing them all on the floor. Now I'm getting some poster board and cutting it up into small pieces, and this is going to be on the back so no one's ever going to see it, but I'm going to use it as essentially structure pieces that are going to keep the mirror in place. Now I'm going to get some Gorilla Hot Glue and I'm going to use it on the hottest temperature and cover the backs of the poster board pieces and place them on the mirror. This will give you all the structure you need on the back of the mirror without having to deal with plywood. Now I'm hanging up a huge piece of art that I got printed, an $80 rug from At Home, and a couple more cozy touches. And that is it. So in 48 hours, I was able to turn this cold dining room into a warm, cozy, inviting space, and I absolutely love how much character it has now. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you to make over your own space.